Man, what a beautiful Tuesday morning. Temperature check is at 38 degrees. We're at about 10 a.m. I'm heading up north. Got a message 30 minutes ago. A train is coming south out of Channing, loaded with all smart siding. Don't think it's going to stop at the mill, he said. So we're going to ride on up here and have a look. Look at that car. Blue skies, the sun is out. You never think that we're getting a major winter storm tomorrow. Right now they're talking 7 to 12 inches of snow tomorrow. Well, now the guessing game. Where do I go? You know, it's kind of a hard guess because in 40 minutes, I think they could have made it as far as maybe Granite Bluff. Anyway, I got my scanner on. Hopefully Fred's on the train. We're going to turn down here on Merriman Road and start checking crossings and seeing what we can see. Well, I decided Merriman Road here would be best. And I just heard the train pass by Granite Bluff just a few minutes ago, so it won't be much longer. Well, he got a green Fred, but I'm not sure if I heard him or not. I actually got a wave from the conductor when they went by. That was pretty cool. Not every day that happens. It's a start. Oh, made her. You guys recall that excavator with all the brush cutting equipment? You can see what they did to the trees along the tracks. Really cleaned it up. intimidating standing where I am as all these semis came real close to me. Give you a unique shot of this train. Oh boy, here comes two more semis. I'm going to stand over to the side just a little bit. Another semi. These semis are driving me crazy. I wonder if that's that center beam right here that was in the derailment. If you recall, they sent it back up north, obviously full of smart siding. It's just weird seeing it come back south, empty. Across the street while I can without getting smacked by a car. Pretty cool, eh? have to see if this crossing has been fixed yet. Check out these tracks. Waiting at the next crossing, they never got to it. You know how I always make the joke? Maybe they're stopping at Quick Trip. Well, I think they made a stop at Quick Trip, because Quick Trip is right to the right on the other side of the tracks, and the train stopped there. Yeah, they stopped at Quick Trip. I guess I'll go back to the gated crossing and wait. All right, back to this gated crossing. Who's curious to see if it works today? Hey, it's working today. Got a runner. Little different video today for you. A little different view even. Nothing too exciting in Iron Mountain today. No boxcars today. Yeah, I don't know if that's the center beam car or not. Maybe somebody in the comments will have more smarts than me. Is that you that was on the group?
Yeah, Jordan.
Jordan, chasing up, obviously.
Yeah. I really appreciate all your posts and stuff. I followed pretty close. And
Where'd you drive up from today?
Asselin, Wisconsin area.
Okay, Asselin. That's a good drive.
Yeah, I still work with a band out of Milwaukee, so I'm heading down to do some rehearsals for the next CD. Our music writer is bad health score, so good to see him back upright. Let him know I'm glad he's still
kicking
above the dirt.
Right. Well, you picked a good day to chase it with winter storm tomorrow.
Yeah, and down there, if you go to Milwaukee, it's a little be on the rainy side. I'll head back first thing Thursday, so I'll be behind it.
Well, I'm glad I was able to help you out this morning.
Oh, it's great. It's great. It's so hit and miss,
Now I gotta go to Pembine and see if they got propane tankers sitting down there for them.
Yeah.
Probably grab those.
I'd like to make it from here to Pembine and Privet's at 10 miles an hour, but that doesn't quite fit the plan.
Right. doubling back to take 141 to Pembine rather than that bumpy road. And you know things are about to get serious when you see the white lines on the highway. That is salt brine that the county of Marinette has laid on the highway here in anticipation of the winter storm coming tomorrow. That'll help break the bond of the snow and ice off the pavement. Anyway, we're going to go down to Pembine and see if there's any propane tankers for them to grab. And if they do, we'll watch them in that process. I do see the conductor stepping off. There are 4 tanks on the CN line, but I don't think they would be going and getting those. They're pretty far over on the CN line, not in a place where they would normally grab them. There you go, time and temperature. Just about 1 o'clock and almost 50 degrees.
I'm up on a point, six back, 9 drop. Left wave, left 3.
Yeah, they did grab the propane. Wasn't sure if they would grab them or not. They weren't exactly in a place where they would normally grab them from. But they have 4 of them. You know what gets me about this propane is it's liquefied petroleum gas, non-odorized. Meaning, I think that if there was a leak, you wouldn't be able to smell it. You know, most times what gas and propane has a very distinct smell to it. Well, what kind of smell does it have if it's non-odorized?
Point search back, 9 for the cross, 5-3. 9 cross. Onboard. And all clear, good for 7-5-3.
Well then. Hard to believe this is a snowmobile trail. I thought for our last parting shot, get a different view of this crossing as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video today with me. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks again, everybody. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. You might see a video come out tomorrow about the snowstorm we're about to get. Hope you guys have a great day wherever you are in the world. A little after 6 p.m. on Wednesday night, heading to my board meeting. We're in a winter storm warning right now. We were supposed to be getting a foot of snow, but that has not happened. Snow just started. It's supposed to have been started this morning. I'm not gonna be able to stop for that.